Good evening. Hindi ko po birthday. Sabi ko parang puro sa akin yung messages. But I'm grateful to everyone who have contributed to the success of these businesses. Kasi for me, this day, actually we dedicate this one to thank everyone, to connect all the dots. You've been seeing a lot of companies, pero nagawa kayo ng companies na yan, where we're going, what we are going to do, and what's ahead of us. And that's my responsibility being the CEO of this company. Nung nag-start kami actually nung business na to, I just wanted to be a good father and a good husband. Parang yun lang naman yung obligation na nakikita ko. At doing business pala hindi. Kasi when you become a good father, when you become a good husband, and you do business, your responsibility mo extended to the people that you work with. These people around me help fulfill our dream. Tama naman yung sabi ng lahat eh. We started very small. But again, when along the way, kasi nung nag-start kami ng the business, it's always about dreaming for everyone, not even for myself. But one thing for sure that we have done, we surrendered everything to God and we let Him do the rest. Many people may not understand us. Many people may not understand our journey. But we are definite, I am definite, that what I'm doing is His will. That's something that I am sure of. Many people may not believe with our vision, with our dream, because it's too difficult, too hard. But when vision is shown to you, you have to fulfill it. And now, with all the companies that we have shared to you today, we finally concluded on how we are going to make it a generational and a company that's built to last. But before that, I would like to thank everyone, especially God, for all the strength, wisdom, everything. Sabi ko nga, it's a miracle, it's a true testament of His kindness, of His graciousness. Kumbaga parang kami, we're just a good steward. And to all the people who came to us, to help us build everything, maraming salamat. Thank you to my wife, Ja, to my children. You are my inspiration and my family. Sila nanay, and to all the people na nandito, God has given me the right people. So, for me, I would like to introduce to you our new company, Multibeast Capital Incorporated. This is our holding company that will manage all equities. Today marks more than the introduction of a company. It marks the unveiling of a vision inspired by organizations that are strong, disciplined, and built to last. Companies that do not simply grow but endure. Companies that are designed to adapt, to lead, and to create long-term value across generations. This is more than just for me. It's for my children and my children's children. And this is for the children of our people also as well. It is with great pride that I introduce Multibeast Capital Incorporated, our holding company, created to strategically manage, strengthen, and unify our diverse equity interests under one solid foundation. Multibeast Capital Incorporated exists to do one thing: exceptional well to provide direction, governance, and long-term stewardship across all our businesses, ensuring each company operates with clarity of purpose while benefiting from shared strength, strategy, and scale. Under Multibeast Capital Incorporated, our enterprises are organized into focus groups, each built on enterprise innovation and market leadership. So, first, our IT group, the backbone of our technological and operational excellence. This group includes Multibeast International Corporation led by Sir Edsel, Capier Central, which is under Multibeast, Biscon Distribution, Multibeast Multicapic Corporation, IT Group of Companies, IT Avenue Group of Companies led by Sir Carlos, Bountiful Enterprise, DBGI Corporations. Together, these companies deliver integrated solutions across technology, distribution, and business services, We are here to really innovate and set new trends of diversifying the technology and offering in the market. This group, it is, business and services driven by efficiency, innovation, and reliability. Second, our food group, where creativity meets consistency and quality. This group is represented by Sumana Corporation and Bishop Distribution Incorporated. These companies are committed to delivering value through strong brands, customer experiences, and sustainable food concept designed for growth in dynamic markets. The third group is our medical group, which is RespiWorks. This group reflects our commitment to health care and meaningful impact, where innovation directly improves lives and supports essential medical needs. What unites all these companies is not just ownership, but a shared philosophy, a belief in disciplined growth, strong leadership in operational excellence, and long-term value creation. At first, actually, pinasok ko yung negosyo na to with IT, food, and medical. It's because this is a career na yung children namin has followed through. So si Nicole is gearing towards IT, and I also have my chef, Ishi, and my medical student, si Dominic. These are all dreams for them. That unleashing all the potential and capacity of each and every industry lead us to a more and deeper purpose in terms of doing this one. Marami pa pala kami po pwedeng tulungan. And for us, Filipinos, sabi nga namin, when I check all the industry in terms of the IT, most of them, 99% are led by foreigners. And this time, sabi ko, but there should be a company, Filipino company standing on its own. We want to lead. We want to have our own. Na hindi naman tayo eventually puro parang empleyado ng mga foreigners. We want to have and we want to stand. And we believe in the next 3 to 5 years, I'm looking at 3 companies that will become a billion peso company. This will mark as a milestone for us that through these people, as great people, with our different approach that we're using in terms of hiring, actually we are trying to get the best of the best people in the industry. In this one, we can be able to achieve all the goals that we are looking for. Pag tinignan niyo po yung goal namin, parang sabi nga namin, bakit parang walang focus? We only have 3 focus actually. One is we want to create value to our customers. Number 2 is we want to create value to our stakeholders, to our partners, banks, suppliers, partners, and to our shareholders. And pangatlo, with all the people na kailangan to parin a platform for them to fulfill their dreams. These people, hindi na kailangan pumunta ng ibang bansa, they can learn it dito sa Pilipinas. So we are encouraging our human resources to implement a entrepreneurship style of handling people by creating opportunities beyond an 8 to 5 payslip. You can write your own paycheck, be the best version of you, and you can really get whatever it is that you want. We are a testament that the dreams do come true. Miracles are true. It can make it happen. And through Multibis Capital Incorporated, our holding company, this will unite everything. Sumana Group, actually we made it as our pillar for our financial backup together with different banks, because we believe that we can do a lot more in partnering with banks. We have a tier 1 partnership with different suppliers. Sir Andrew Cecil, the president of Canon. And we have partners also from Philippines here. And we also have here some people from Metrobank, from Philbras, from Land Bank, who are believing. Sabi ko nga, they are essential in fulfilling our dream of making this happen. So, para sa amin po, lahat po kayo ay importante in fulfilling our dream of all the people working under Multibis Capital Incorporated. Multibis Capital Incorporated is not built for short-term good gains. It is built for resilience. It is built for scale. As we move forward, we do So with confidence, knowing that through this structure, our companies are empowered to perform at their best while remaining aligned to a greater purpose. This is our foundation. This is our commitment. This is Multibeast Capital Incorporated, built with purpose, driven by vision, designed to last. Thank you and welcome to what we are building together.
Thank you, sir, for that very powerful message. Your leadership